Dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English News broadcasting live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. I'm Barsabat Aghla, your reporter for today, Tuesday, September 16th. We'll start with the top stories for today. Students improved performance in national examination. Adam Bab Ndali Portable Water Project in Ginda almost finalized. NATO-led military drills underway off Greenland coast. And Spain cancels a 700 million euros arms deal with Israel over genocide. In your domestic reports, at an assessment meeting conducted in Af'ab subzone, it was reported that students' performance in the 8th grade national examination has shown significant improvement. Mr. Mohammed Ali Idris, head of the education office in the subzone, said that the number of students who scored passing marks increased from 31.6% in the 2022-2023 academic year to 43.9% in the 2024-2025 academic year. At the meeting, which was attended by Mr. Mohammed Noor Rajib, administrator of the subzone, as well as heads of various line ministries, national associations, school directors and supervisors, a detailed report was presented highlighting the achievements registered and the challenges encountered. Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Noor stated that although encouraging progress has been recorded so far, there is a need for an integrated effort by the public and school communities to achieve better outcomes. The participants conducted extensive discussions on the issues raised during the meeting and adopted various recommendations. These included conducting rigorous awareness-raising activities, addressing shortages of teachers and classrooms, strengthening cultural activities in schools, and ensuring strong parental follow-up on children's school performance. In the same vein, Mr. Mohammed Noor Rajib, administrator of Af'ab subzone, held meetings with the residents of all administrative areas in the subzone, focusing on the overall situation and the implementation of development programs. In another news, Mr. Daniel Kiflamariam, head of water services in Ginda subzone, reported that the construction of the Adam Bab Ndali Portable Water Project has been finalized by 90%. Noting that the water pipelines being installed in administrative areas are contributing to easing the burden of residents and controlling waterborne diseases, Mr. Daniel called on residents to use the project judiciously to ensure its sustainability. He also urged the community to strengthen its participation for the successful completion of the installation of the water pipes. Indicating that about 150 people are participating in the project daily, Ms. Juma Abdullah, administrator of Ginda administrative area, said that the project will continue in earnest with active community involvement. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. NATO's Arctic Light 2025 military exercise is currently underway off the coast of Greenland, with over 550 soldiers from Denmark, France, Germany, Sweden and Norway participating in the 10-day drills. The Danish Armed Forces, the Greenlandic government and the Joint Arctic Command are coordinating the exercise, which features the Danish frigate HDMS Niels Juel, F-16 fighter jets, EH-101 helicopters and Special Operations Forces. The Chief of Joint Arctic Command told reporters that the aim is to enhance operational readiness in the Arctic region. However, according to military analysis, the drills can worsen tensions between Russia and NATO. Key activities during the drills included the boarding of vessels, infrastructure protection, drone deployment, search and rescue operations, marine environmental protection and disaster response. In today's final report, Spain has cancelled a weapons contract worth hundreds of millions of euros with Israel over the regime's ongoing genocidal war on Gaza. The deal cancelled yesterday, worth nearly 700 million euros, would have seen Spain buying Israeli-designed rocket launchers from Elbit Systems. The move comes after Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez announced last week that his government would consolidate in law a ban on military equipment sales or purchases with Israel over its offensive in Gaza. Madrid has also scrapped another contract valued at 287 million euros to buy anti-tank missile launchers, which were to be manufactured under license from an Israeli company. Yesterday, Sanchez also called for Israel to be barred from international sports over the Gaza war. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick recap of the top stories. Students improved performance in national examination. Adam Bavendeli Porabo water project in Ginda almost finalized. NATO-led military drills underway off Greenland coast. And Spain cancels the 700 million euros arms deal with Israel over genocide. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with more news and developments. But until then, have a good one.